Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Ateneo Blue Eagles kontra sa Adamson Soaring Falcons 25-22, 25-21, 25-17. Best player of the game si Gian Salarson sa likod ng kanyang 21 points mula sa 19 attacks at 2 blocks, may kasamang 7 excellent digs at 9 excellent receptions. Pinataob naman ng Inyo Bulldogs ang FPU Tamaraws 25-22, 25-21, 25-20. Best player of the game si Joshua Ritamar matapos nagtala ng 8 points mula sa 2 attacks, 5 blocks at 1 ace, may kasamang 17 excellent sets. Tinanghal naman na player of the week si Vince Maglinaw mula April 17 hanggang April 21, 2024 matapos sumakot ng 11 points at 8 excellent receptions kontra sa Adamson Soaring Falcons. Nagtala naman ng 19 points, may kasamang 9 excellent digs at 7 excellent receptions kontra sa Ateneo Blue Eagles. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, wagi ang Ateneo Lady Eagles kontra sa Adamson Lady Falcons 25-13, 25-17, 25-21. Best player of the game si Lian Di Guzman sa likod ng kanyang 14 points mula sa 14 attacks. Tinalo naman ng Inyo Lady Bulldogs ang FEU Lady Tamaraws 25-21, 25-19, 25-22. Best player of the game si Alyssa Solomon sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 12 attacks at 1 block, may kasamang 8 excellent digs. Tinanghal naman na player of the week si Shibana Lapot mula April 17 hanggang April 21, 2024 matapos pumalo ng 24 points kontra sa Adamson Lady Falcons. Humakot naman ng 15 points kontra sa Ateneo Lady Eagles. Heto ang game schedule ngayong April 27, 2024, nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magharap ang UP Fighting Marons at UE Red Warriors alas 10 ng umaga para sa Men's Division. Maglalaban naman ang UP Lady Marons at UE Lady Warriors alas 12 ng tanghali para sa Women's Division. Magtutuos naman ang UST Golden Spikers at DLSU Green Spikers alas 4 ng hapon para sa Men's Division. Kakalabanin naman ng UST Golden Tigresses ang DLSU Lady Spikers alas 6 ng gabi para sa Women's Division. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of April 24, 2024. FEU Tamaraws 12 wins 2 losses. NU Bulldogs 11 wins 3 losses. DLSU Green Spikers 10 wins 3 losses. UST Golden Spikers 8 wins 5 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 7 wins 7 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 4 wins 10 losses. UP Fighting Marons 1 win 12 losses. UE Red Warriors 1 win 12 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of April 24, 2024. NU Lady Bulldogs 12 wins 2 losses. DLSU Lady Spikers 11 wins 2 losses. UST Golden Tigresses 11 wins 2 losses. FEU Lady Tamaraws 9 wins 5 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 5 wins 9 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 3 wins 11 losses. UE Lady Warriors 2 wins 11 losses. UP Lady Marons 1 win 12 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.